Ich möchte über das Hühnerrupfen sprechen, denn am liebsten schnappe ich mir jetzt jemanden von Control4, der wirklich Ahnung hat und lass ihn mal wissen, dass ich mit den neuen Halo Fernbedienungen so mittelmäßig happy bin. Ja, ich verstehe es einfach nur nicht. Jetzt kann ich nur leider hier das mit dem Mikrofon gerade nicht anders regeln, aber ich probiere es dir mal hier ganz simpel zu zeigen mit dieser Fernbedienung. Mal sehen, ob es hier möglich ist. Die hat jetzt keinen Saft, ist natürlich ganz schlau auf einer Messe. Und die meine ich jetzt nicht. Okay. Ich sammle jetzt mal Infos und dann schauen wir mal.
So I don't have them configured on this, but I'm going to show you where the new feature is going to be.
Wir reden jetzt über die Custom Buttons, endlich. Okay.
So
und neue Features.
One thing that you'll notice, we're showing a new build here, which is going to be released in 2 weeks.
Okay.
And one of the features you'll see on this is a blue dot up at the top.
Okay, what does this mean?
So the blue dot is a notification to the customer that there are new features available and a new software on the device. So if I go home and I go down to settings and I go to what's new, you'll see the new features that are upcoming on this new remote version. This is the what's new page.
Okay.
One of the things that you'll notice is that we've redesigned the lighting experience. So now we have the ability to toggle loads from the main page of lighting. You'll also notice we're introducing full custom button menus.
Yes, you're my hero.
This is coming very soon. So the full custom button agent will be supported on both models.
Will you expand the custom buttons?
Yes.
So it's more than just 4 custom buttons?
You can do more than 4. Yes, you can do the full menu.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. We're also going to have improved battery life and improved Wi-Fi stability and performance as well.
Sounds amazing. That's exactly what I'm looking for, actually.
Good.
Okay. Do you further plan to allow installers to customize some kinds of user interface?
Yes, so we do have plans. As we introduce new features, we'll have a little bit of this coming at a time, but you'll have the ability to do things like reorder the list view. We've talked about wallpaper background customization, icon customization on the favorites for sizes and things like that. So those are all themes that you'll see rolled in over time.
Okay. Do you know whether it will be possible to deselect pre-programmed buttons that are supplied by the driver? For example, you have a Blu-ray player and you don't want those colored buttons to be used for that one, so you can use it for your curtain.
You can unmap them to other things, yes.
This will be included?
It will be coming, yes.
Great.
Absolutely.
That's good. The only thing that I'm missing is to be able to use the bidirectional features of some AV receiver drivers, so I know which sound mode is being selected.
Okay.
Do you know whether there will be a chance to include this feature?
It would depend on the model of AV receiver that you're using. So all of our certified AV drivers should support bidirectional two-way feedback. But if you've got specific models, we're happy to take a look and we can get them certified over time and work with the manufacturer to make sure they support bidirectional feedback.
And you think it might be able to get those information on the screen so you know what is being selected?
It should, yes. It should, yes.
Okay.
And the expanded HomeKit driver will allow Apple to see things like lighting loads and fans and other devices in the Control4 ecosystem so that you can do things like trigger advanced lighting scenes, turn fans on and off, control individual loads through Siri at the start, but then that'll gradually expand into other voice services as well after that architecture is built.
Okay, so there will be a chance not having to use Apple TV in order to use voice recognition just when using Control4 by itself as a standalone system.
Out of the start, it'll be on HomeKit through Apple TV. But then after we've got that architecture built, it'll expand to other voice services like Alexa and Google, etc.
Okay.
So,
what's your time schedule for those new features, especially regarding the custom buttons? Are you talking of some 2 or 3 weeks or just some months? Or
custom buttons is only a couple weeks away. You should see it roll out in a couple weeks. And some of the other voice features are tied to an OS release that comes with 3.4.2 later this spring. But we'll be developing monthly drops throughout the rest of this year, and you'll get new features each time. So.
Sounds lovely. Thank you so much for this information. Tja, jetzt müssen die Hühner doch zu Hause bleiben, aber es ist so mega geil. Ich meine, das ist eine Kleinigkeit und du magst jetzt denken, mein Gott, was freut sich der Lars jetzt über irgendwelche blöden Custom Buttons? Es gibt doch wahrlich Wichtigeres. Gebe ich dir recht? Gleichzeitig weißt du auch, wenn du ein Heimkino hast, dass es die Details sind, gerade bei der Bedienung, wo du dann einfach Spaß hast oder nicht. Oder na, so krass nicht unbedingt, aber die sind einfach auch entscheidend. Ja, und schön zu wissen, dass es im Detail auch besser geht. Zumal bei Control4 sowieso immer so dieser Gedanke ist, Mensch, du hast so ein geiles System, der Kunde zahlt dafür ein gutes Geld. Warum nutzt man es dann nicht voll, wenn du im Treiber siehst, dass es bidirektional arbeitet, wenn die Custom-Buttons da einfach nur simple Software sind? Ja, dann liegt es halt so nah. Das ist, du siehst das Ziel, aber du kannst hingreifen, aber darfst es nicht nehmen. So ähnlich kam ich mir da immer vor. Aber jetzt gucken wir mal. Freut mich, so zu hören.